Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. This is your situation and outcome in love ngayong bago mag-end ang May. Okay, so check lang natin kung ano pa ba ang pwede pang mangyari sa natitirang araw, no? Ngayong May. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong being updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, and don't forget rin na i-follow and i-subscribe yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below. Okay? Ang link. Pwede kayong mag-send ng inyong mga mensahe, secret na mga mensahe, o sa inyong mga secret na kung sino man, o diba? Oo, kasi isi-secret natin yung inyong mga pangalan doon. I-airy lang natin yung inyong mga messages, no? So, malay mo. Diba? Mapili yung iyong love letter na i-airy. Okay. So, Pisces. Situation, let's see. Anong situation meron ang mga Pisces? Oops, the Two of Swords. Meron ba ditong option? Decision? Ano tong Two of Swords? The Star in reversed. So, parang meron ditong kailangang pagdesisyonan. Okay? Pero hindi ko nakikitang ginagawa na ng desisyon, no? So, parang nagiging hopeless na yung situation, the stars in the reversed. Yeah, the Eight of Cups. Hindi magkaroon ng improvement or progress ang situation kasi parang hindi na ibibigay yung dapat pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong hindi mo na nagagawa yung mga gusto mong gawin. Okay? Kasi pwedeng there's this energy of blockages pagdating sa situation. Pwedeng yung sitwasyon na naghaharang, nagbibigay harang sa'yo para gawin mo yung mga gusto mong gawin. Let's see. Ano bang meron sa person? The Three of Swords in reversed. Could be an air sign. The Sun in reverse. Leo. The Five of Swords. Sabihin natin itong taong ito nasa loob ang kulo, no? The Ace of Cups in reverse. Nasa loob ang kulo. Pwedeng hindi siya nagiging totoo sa'yo in general. There's this, a lot of energy na patungkol sa pagsisinungaling. Nandyan din yung mga pagtatago. May chance na pwedeng nagkaroon ng third party na involved dito and itinago niya yun. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Swords, this is options. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong nag-iisip lang pagdating sa person mo na baka meron siyang iba. Pwede rin. Okay? So, ano bang emosyon niya talaga sa'yo? Okay. Ano emosyon talaga sa'yo nitong taong to, Pisces? The Page of Swords. They're interested or curious. There's this curiosity. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Meron ding Nine of Wands in reverse dito. Six of Cups. This person, sabihin nating tinitingnan lang niya kung kaya mo na mag-commit sa kanya. Parang ganun. They see you as somebody na pwedeng mag-commit sa kanya. Or tingin niya sa'yo is pwedeng parang under ka niya. I'm sorry sa term, pero parang tingin niya under ka niya. Yeah, the Ten of Swords in reverse, the Ten of Cups in reverse. Okay, like parang control ka. Yeah. Tingin ng taong to, codependent ka sa kanya. Yeah. Nakadepende ka na lang palagi sa kanya. So, kung ano man ang mga desisyon na nangyayari sa ngayon, sa inyong dalawa, or sa kung anong mga desisyon na kailangan niyang gawin, parang hintay ka lang ng hintay. Kasi parang tingin niya hindi ka makagawa eh. Without their decision. Without their go signal. Mga ganun. So, may chance na pwedeng namamanipula ka nito, nakokontrol ka, nagagamit ka. Okay? What is your next action towards you, Pisces? The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So, wala masyado. Yeah. Why the Eight of Pentacles in reverse? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Sila yung nasusunod dito. Wala kang makikitang effort. Wala kang makikitang focus. Or kung ano man coming from this person. They will just waste your time. Kung ikaw itong naghihintay, some of you, parang feeling mo hopeless na yung situation. Kasi parang ang daming energy. Yeah, yung person is so indecisive, aloof. Okay? Hindi siya nagiging klaro sa'yo. Hindi siya nagiging klaro. If you're thinking na this person is may someone or may third party involved, hindi niya yun para i-clear sa'yo. Okay? Hindi siya gagawa ng kung anumang action para may pakita or mapatunayan na wala talaga siyang ganon. Wala. Okay? Grabe. Anong outcome nyo? Nandito na yung kalituhan. Death. So, endings. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Okay, this is changes. And sabihin natin, kung meron ngang nagtawag dito, nagdudulot, no, ng pendings, delays, dito sa situation, ito yung parang, okay, kailangan i-end. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Merong iba dito. Sa totoo lang. Enough with the drama. Parang ganyan. The Five of Wands. So, nakikitaan ko na pwedeng may mangyaring ending. Kasi, this is just a waste of time. Yeah, a waste of time. Okay? If the person is hindi naman talaga maging upfront, transparent, or vulnerable sa kung ano man ang kailangan mo, gusto mong malaman sa kanya, then there's something wrong. Okay? Hindi ka dapat ma-confuse. Diba? So, what else for Pisces? Okay. Another energy. Who is this? Person ng mga Pisces, anong meron sa'yo? Anong meron? Situation muna. Anong meron sa situation ng mga Pisces? Aside doon sa nabasa natin kanina. Again, the Three of Swords. Could be, energy ng separation or breakup. Okay? What's with the Three of Swords? The Seven of Cups. So, this is breakup. Okay? This is your this is your past person's energy. So, anong meron sa kanya ngayon? Some of you, the Eight of Wands in reverse. Wala pa masyadong nangyayaring bago or kung anong mang action. Walang masyadong nangyayari in general. Some of you, there's this blockages. Yeah, walang masyadong pinatutunguhan ang buhay ni person na to. Okay? I think Pisces, you're still their best option. Okay, you're their best option. Kung wala mang mangyari sa buhay ng taong to, ikaw at ikaw yung babalikan nito. Okay? Some of you nagkaroon ng on-off. Maraming on-off sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Let's see. Some of them, may chance na itong taong to is nagtatago ng, sabihin nating dark side niya. They're like playing the field. Yeah, some of you, kung binlock ka nito, they're playing the field right now. Pero, yun nga, wala ko nakikitang seryosong nangyayari sa buhay niya sa ngayon. Okay? And, kapag lahat to sumablay, pumalpak, ikaw at ikaw lang yung nakikita niyang best. Oo, na pwedeng balikan, if ever. This person is sabihin natin, ang focus nito ngayon is yung kung anong nangyari sa situation. Okay? Yung nakukuha kong energy from them is somebody who is like devastated. Parang, yeah, oo, parang wala ang mangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon. Parang masyado siyang focus dito sa nangyaring separation na to. Walang mangyayari sa akin like that. Parang ganon. Okay? So, what is their emotion? What is their emotion right now? The King of Cups. Yeah. The Ten of Cups. Okay. The Two of Cups in reverse, the Eight of Pentacles. Some of them, they're too busy pagdating sa mga bagay na parang kung anong meron sa kanya in general ngayon. Okay? Excuse me. So, their emotion still nandyan pa rin for you. Yes. Nandyan pa rin. Yung love. Okay? I think this is you. Sa tingin ko, itong taong to, alam niya na love mo pa rin siya. May pagka-arrogante. Oo, yung tao. Anyway, let's see. What's their next action towards you? The Seven of Swords. Being sneaky. Sneaking back. The Six of Pentacles. Yeah, this person, sabihin natin hindi pa kayo tapos nito, may chance pang bumalik. Okay? May chance pang bumalik. This is another, new beginning. Okay? Sabi ko sa'yo, you're their best option. Sa ngayon, parang nakawala to sa kulungan. Oo, parang ginagawa lang muna niya lahat, everything, kung ano man yung mga hindi niya nagawa while nasa connection kayo nitong taong to. Parang, nagwalwal na this. Parang ganon. Okay, wala muna seryoso sa buhay ngayon. Gagawin ko everything. Gagawin ko kung ano man ang gusto ko. Mga ganyang bagay. At hindi to malalaman ni Pisces. Some of you kasi binlock ka. Okay? So, anong outcome nyo? Bago mag-end ang May. The Five of Swords. This is energy of mixed signals. Yan, the Four of Cups. This is stress. Okay? This is overthinking. Yeah, reevaluation. Parang ganyan. The Hermit in reverse, the Four of Swords. Yeah. Death in reverse. So, sa ngayon, pwedeng may mga magbibigay ng, sabihin nating isipin pagdating sa sitwasyon na to. Kasi nakukuha ko nito, itong taong to, may chance na magparamdam sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? So, they're sad. Oo. Yung situation, nagbibigay ito ng kalungkutan, stress, if ever. So, it's like, okay, I need to go back kay Pisces. Parang ganyan. Wala na kasi akong, like, patutunguhan or what. Parang ganun yung energy. The Moon, the Three of Cups. Yeah. So, may chance itong taong to, they stay awake at night. They're losing sleep over this. Parang mga ganun. Okay, wanting to reconnect, wanting to reconcile, some of them. Okay? Yeah, the World. So, yung akin nakikita. So, let's see. Aries through Pisces for you, Pisces placements. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below na love letter. Okay, Aries through Pisces. Aries. They're sad. They're confused. Taurus. There's plans. Oo. May mga plano na gustong gawin si Taurus, or parang gusto na lang na parang maging okay na lang kung ano man meron. Gemini, they're dropping you. Cancer, they're accepting things. Accepting the fact. Parang ganyan. Leo, they're waiting for you. Virgo, doesn't want na ma-stress pa dito. I think si Virgo merong ano, sabihin nating may pag-reach out na pwedeng gawin. They're like thinking of reaching you out, parang ganyan. Libra, ayaw nila ng stress. Yeah, some of them gusto lang din makatulog, parang ganyan. Scorpio, they're attracted. Yeah. Some of you, there could be a new energy coming in. Pwedeng Scorpio. Sagittarius, they're a juggler. Acting aloof, indecisive. Capricorn, they want victory. They want success. Aquarius, they're codependent. Pisces, so I'm seeing here long-term connection with the Pisces. Some of you Pisces, yung money mo is magiging okay. Yeah, so you have to avoid lang sabihin nating unnecessary energy para mas maging okay yung flow mo, no? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na love letter nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.